So your videos are very well thought out on many levels. What is your video inspiration, the style? What is that?
Style-wise, if you look at my videos lately, especially like the last 3 where I feel like I've figured it out a little bit, what I'm trying to do, I take shots. If you look at some of the shots of what I do, like there's the action shots and those are, you know, what they are. But I try to use different perspectives. I steal from Stanley Kubrick a lot. You know what I mean? Anytime you see me like inside of a tool, or you know, I try to do that 0 point perspective from like dead ahead where everything's diminishing to like the middle of my chest. You know what I mean? Or I'm, you know, the other one I like to use is center frame. I think that's the other person I steal from a lot is Wes Anderson. Those movies, that overhead shot. A lot of makers steal from, but I like to try to like unfold things and like, you know what I mean, have things come in and out of the shot seamlessly. That's his thing, and that center of the frame thing. Those are a couple things I steal from him. As far as actual video content, though, I try to put everything in a digestible bite.
We've featured a lot of badass mother truckers that build, inspire, and make, such as Adam McMillan, Bobby Duke, Sterling Davis, Scrollsaw Scribbler, Dirty Smith, Tony Rouleau, Ray Makes, Keith Decent, Bales, JP Woodwork, Daniel Harju, Jack Bench, Rustic Duck Furniture, Chip Bills, Michael Zerker, Sokomo, I Jessup, Herb Lichtenberg, Wartooth Designs, Heath Knuckles, Rebecca DeGroot, Elm City Vintage, Andy Berkey, Dan the Maker Man, Doc Jared Hildabrant, Northside Custom Craft, Make It Soft, King's Fine Woodworking, 5x30 Woodworking, Mark Lindsay CNC, Works by Solo, Brett McAfee, Al's Hack Shack, Carl Jacobson, Charles Deering, Javi's Wood Shop, Miter Mike's Wood Shop, Temple Boy Turnings, Waylight Creations, Awesome Wood Things, Man Crafting TM, retro shirts and standard shirts available. Check out the description.